Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a little while and you just got I'm joking. Okay. I'm trying to do a joke but it didn't work, so let's just hopping into Greenland. You just got rickrolled. Okay, I'm done. I don't like the music. We're gonna spawn Macho Cat and Wildcat. Let's go. Go rabbit. Hey Santa buddy, how you trying to do? Let's see. Bathtub. Hey, don't you ever hit my dang rabbits. Cat team, assemble. Do it fast. Bro, these rabbits look like a whopper. Look at you. Okay. Let's go. So let's go. Editing this video is going to be a pain. This music's stuck in my head now. I think this level was about the rabbits. That's what I thought. Legendary cat shield. Oh my god. It sucks. Hey look, we got Canada next. But that's the next video because this can't be too long. So let's get our lucky captures. Bruh. Let's go. Let's check some more stuff. I want to know what this is. What is the? Last time I checked, this only had 2 forms. I want to know, how do I get this Mr. Kitty Cat? Is it wait, there we go. I need a legend stages. So a while ago someone said legend stages has like special thing. Dang, that wall's ripped up. Yo, no, those cats are going to murder me. Look what they did to the walls. Is it possible to get that kitty here? See you guys in the next video. Super Chris out. Wait. No, I just